Are you fed up of taking so many medicines? Then throw them away, because these are not going to help them good. Don't literally throw the medicine, but listen to this video till the last, because I am going to give you a very attractive and ultimate solution for your health problems. Till now, if you are suffering from a chronic disease and consuming medicines, you know that medicines are not going to do any good. In fact, they are going to do any harm. Does it mean that medicines are not useful? They are useful, but for control, for management, for temporary relief, but just for a temporary relief. In the long term, you know that your disease is attacking all the organs and spoiling your organs, as well as your medicine are creating more side effect and again spoiling the organ. So guys, if you are successful to a level of richness, or maybe you are an elite audience, then this video will make more meaning for you. Because if you are successful, if you are a millionaire, if you are a billionaire, you will agree with me that you cannot become rich by doing the same thing which everybody else is doing. You must have gone through a lot of different things. You must have done a lot of different things, unique thinking. Why not apply same in healthcare? So here I am bringing for you Insta Healing Retreat, Thailand, Bangkok. Yes, in Miskwana, Koh Samui specifically. So now what is this Insta Healing Retreat? What we do differently is, let me introduce myself first. I am Dr.Ravi Vairagade, world's only genetic epigenetic health expert, mind transplant specialist and chronic disease reversal expert, and also I was nominated for India's highest civilian award, Padma Shri. So now being nominated for India's highest civilian award means a lot to me, and that makes it more responsibility to reach to you and help you understand that you have far more powers than these medicines. You have mind, ultra powerful, which have created nuclear bombs and artificial intelligence. Then you have brain, the world's best supercomputer. Then you have genes which can be programmed. Yes, I am talking about we can reprogram the genes by actually doing epigenetic reprogramming. Also, you have your immunity and your healing system. Now, these superpowers are just sitting idle because nobody is working on that. Insta Healing Retreat helps you to work on all your superpowers. Now, just imagine what will happen. The world's best creation, you are the divine creation. Your superpowers are divinely created. Just imagine if you come to an Insta Healing Retreat and then you activate all your superpowers, they will be 1,000 times better than your medicine. Your quality of life will improve, your diseases will start reversing, your reports will be better, your medicine will start coming down, your quality of life will improve, your health will improve, your energy will improve, you will have a better stamina, you will again be smiling, happiness on your face, and first time you will feel that you are the winner, you are the champion again. So if you really want to be healthy, if you really love your health, then this Insta Healing Retreat is for you. And there is more to it. This Insta Healing Retreat is going to be actually coupled with the personal health coaching for all 365 days. It is going to be very premium program, and every day you will see your mind shifting to health, then your mind shifting to better wealth, to better business, better relationship, and as your mind shifts to all these better things, your health will improve, your organ will improve. So now this is a great combination. Insta Healing Retreat in one of the best resorts at Koh Samui, Miskawana Resorts at Koh Samui, and along with this Insta Healing Retreat, we have a whole year of a personal health coaching and transformational program. This is only open for selective people, and if you are ready to transform your health and life, if you are ready to improve the quality of life, then don't miss the chance. Just click on the button and register. We will be selecting all the people from all around the world. Only few people will get the entry. I hope you should get the entry because you deserve a better health. You deserve a better wealth. If you are a businessman or entrepreneur, you understand that the only thing which can stop you is health issue, a chronic disease. Why not make you a champion again? Why not make you a winner again? Why not be the winner over chronic disease? reverse the chronic disease. Most of the people keep on taking tablets and do the spare part kind of a treatment. They treat kidneys and liver and then brain and then muscles and pancreas, but nobody treats a whole human being. For the first time, you will be getting the 360-degree treatment for you rather than the spare part treatment for one or the other part of the body. Second important thing, if you activate all these 5 superpowers, you will be for the first time treating the person as a whole, you as a whole. So till now you have been taking medicines for controlling the reports. Now you will be getting the complete treatment of you as a person. See guys, only difference between humans and animals is his mind. If you don't involve the mind in your treatment, just tell me, are you really taking the treatment for humans or it is like a animal treatment? You have to decide. Insta healing is a human treatment of humans. I will always say, if you love being a human, then this treatment is for you, the human in you. So guys, welcome to Insta healing retreat. Click below, register yourself and fill the application form. If we find that this is going to be life changing for you, then only we will select you, because if you are selected, let me tell you, this is going to be life changing and you must take the chance.